Got there.
Animals.
Did you rescue them?
The animals got boo-boos.
Oh, and you're the animal rescuer?
Hmm
Is that who you want to be when you grow up, an animal rescuer?
I want to go yoye and yoye.
Do you want to be a veterinarian? Can you say veterinarian?
Veterinarian.
Ooh, good job. Can you say it again? Veterinarian.
Veterinarian.
I want to be a veterinarian.
I want to be a veterinarian.
When I grow up,
And I go
I want to rescue animals.
and I want to rescue animals.
Okay. Can you introduce us to your animals? Who are they? What's their name?
Puppy and puppyette.
Okay. Do they go to bed with you?
No,
Who's this one?
Teddy.
Teddy. Are you? Huh?
And I'm the rescue center.
You're the rescue center? Okay. Can you sing a song for them?
A B C D H I J K M M O P Q R S V R E W X Y and Z. Now my ABCs. Let's time to sing with me.
Good job. Did they fall asleep?
Nope. This is the yay.
They're awake.
The yay.
Do they have boo-boos? What kind of boo-boo?
Broken boo-boo.
What you got there? That's my boot. Oi!
I think he got that from the boot closet.
Did he?
He opened the closet when you grow up.
Oh. Put it back, Aiden.